Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim PI on Roqqu. Okay, so you can claim Pi airdrop on Roqqu. So if you don't have Roqqu account, you're going to see the registration link in the description box. Okay, so the referral username you have to use is Sanvicky, SANVICKY, because you need the referral username to be able to create an account. All right, so now this is my Roqqu account. Okay, so as you can see right here, ongoing airdrop. So I'm using the app, so you must make sure you download the app as well. So they've done some other airdrop in the past, call turn Trump, and now they are doing PI airdrop. So this is actually going to end in the next 20 days. So you have to take advantage of it right now. So you only have 4 tasks to complete. So you click on make a post on X, so to share their post, and also follow Roqqu on X. So once that is done, you submit your username, your X username, that's your Twitter username. Then the post, you copy the link and you submit the link as well. So I've done my, as you can see, it's completed, and the next 2 steps is refer friend and buy or sell or swap Pi, target $100. Okay, and I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so all I just have to do is to buy or sell or swap Pi worth of $100, and the next target is to refer friend at least 3 people. Okay, so if you have friends that are into crypto that are not yet on Roqqu, you can give them your Roqqu link and username to register. Okay, so uh, I'm going to deposit some USDT now into my Roqqu account. So I'll click on wallet, and uh, I'm going to click on receive. Then I'll search for USDT data. So I'm going to click on the BEP20, that's the Binance Smart Chain. The transaction fee is 0. So I'm going to click on this wallet here. Then I'm going to copy the wallet address, coin BEP20. Okay, so make sure you copy the right network address. So I'll go to my Binance account now, and I'm going to click on USDT, and I'll click on withdraw, send via crypto network, and paste. Then I'm going to click on BEP20, and I'm going to click on max, and I'll click on withdraw. Right, I'm only going to withdraw 100. I need to use that that $30 for another thing. So I'm going to click on withdraw. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Continue. So if you're watching this video and you're like, is it real? First, go to Roqqu X account and confirm. And also, if you don't know Roqqu has been in existence for over 4 years now. I started using Roqqu since 2020, and I've been mentioning Roqqu since then. So Roqqu has been a reputable and reliable platform since they started. So a lot of Nigerians that have been using Roqqu has never had any complaint or any problem or issue with them. Okay. Yes, I have successfully swapped my USDT to PI, as you can see on the screen. Transaction successful. So this is the PI right here. Okay, so this is my PI balance, and I have like 3,000 naira on my Roqqu cash balance. So I'm gonna use the 3,000 naira to buy PI now. So as you can see, this is it. So to make sure I have more pi. So I'm gonna click on confirm now. All right, transaction successful. So that's it. So it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so I really hope you guys found this video helpful. So make sure you take action